JALDOOT App. The Indian government recently launched the JALDOOT App and JALDOOT App e-brochure. Key facts. The JALDOOT application was jointly developed by Union Ministries of Panchayat and Rural Development. This app can be used by Gram Rojgar Sahayak to measure the water level in a well twice a year before and after monsoon. It enables the systematic collection of data on groundwater levels, and storing them in central digital database for analysis. This data can be used for the implementation of Gram Panchayat Development Plan and Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, MGNREGA. Using this app, water levels of 2 to 3 wells in a village will be captured. The water levels in open wells will be measured twice a year, from May 1 to 31 as pre-monsoon water level and again from October 1 to 31 as post-monsoon level. JALDOOT's officers involved in measuring the water levels will upload the geo-tagged photograph through the app on every occasion of measurement. The application would work both online and offline mode. In the offline mode, JALDOOTs will be able to capture the water level even without internet connections, and the captured date will be stored in the mobile. When the app comes online, the data will be uploaded and synchronized with the central server. The data in this application will be stored in the National Water Informatics Center, NWIC, which will help in the creation of various reports through comprehensive assessment and analysis. About National Water Informatics Center. National Water Informatics Center, NWIC, is the central repository that stores data regarding the availability of water resource across India. Set up in